Hi everyone, welcome to our channel chinnadevtech. Today we are discussing and develop the user microservice, user entity class, e-commerce domain, Amazon application. In this user entity class, I want to develop with the user entity fields. Those are user ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, password, role, created it, updated it, last log. Those are developing in this entity class. Write the first field, private long user ID is the one field. Next field, private string first name, private string first name, private string last name, last name, private string last name. Next, private string email, email for the user. Another field, private string phone number, phone number is another field, private string role, user role, user role. Next, private string user status, status field, private string status. Next, private user role. Next, status local date time, local date time with created it, created it when to created the user. The field show the created it, local date and time. Next, updated it, private local date and time. Updated record it create this timestamp. Next, private local date time, lost login time, lost login. These are the fields in the user entity class. User ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, role, status, created it, updated it, last login for the user fields. Make it as an entity, provide the entity annotation. Next, provide the no-arg constructor, no-arg constructor, all-arg constructor. Next, data, next, builder. If you want those annotations, check our channel. I can clearly explain these Lombok annotations provided predefined annotations for the avoiding the boilerplate code with the setters and getters providing inbuilt to provide those details. So these are the entity class. Next class provide the DTO class. If you want check our channel, difference between the entity and DTO. If you have the full clarity in our channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel chinnadevtech. Please like, share, comment. Thank you for watching.